time when it is slow. If all of a sudden something is happened, then you will get the direct reaction. But when something is happening very slow, then you will understand and you'll get these float mountains and block mountains. Now we'll come up with the sudden mountain. Sorry, sudden movements. We have seen how block mountains and fold mountains are are found, and these moments are very slow. It takes lakhs and thousands of years for the formation of the block and the fold mountain. Now we are going to talk about sudden movements, how they occurs in very fast, and because of these lack of diversification, which is happily or having his old volcano or talk about it. See, we have talked about the mall. In this beginning of the chapter, we have discussed and studied the news item on the earthquake. Earth means the ground and the quake means trembling. See what happened? Trembling means, I have told you in before only, shaking of land. Earthquake is in simple languages shaking of land. So earth is land, and quake means trembling. Earthquake is the movement of the earth crush. You have been acquainted with the magnitude and effects of the earthquake through the activity at the beginning of the chapter itself. Now we will look at the sudden movement called earthquake and volcanoes on the earth interior in detail. See something, what he is trying to say, when something is happen in the interior way, when it's going very slow, the effects will come slow. But if something is happened very sudden, or when you give pressure in the land, you will get the sudden reaction. All of sudden you'll get the reaction. See, in do you know, yeah, he has given a very good example. When you understand on the railway platform near the railway track, see, when you go, when you stand on the railway platform, what happened? You experience trembling if a train passes by the speedily. See, they announce also, Rajdhani is passing away, stay away from the track. So why they are saying it? Because these trains are very fast. They don't stop in a small, small platforms, or they go very fast. So that's why we can, experience that all the platform is started shaking. Why? Because of the sudden movements of the train. So they always, you get the very big example. Also, like, it's very easy to understand that obviously when a train is fast, the platform will start shaking. Tremors are also felt when the heavy vehicles cross up a bridge in the speed. When you will cross the bridge, and heavy vehicles will go nearby you or beside from you, you will feel the pressure. Why? Because they are fast and they are bulky. Through these examples, one can estimate the tremors caused during earthquake. So you can imagine now, when earthquake suddenly happened, how many things happen around us. We lost the people, we lost the things, we lost the different things. This happened because of the earthquake, and earthquake comes on